Hi and welcome to Allegro Enterprises. My name is Makhosazane Luthuli. I'm the director of the organization, and today I'm proud to host the Budget Buster mini-series for 2022-2023 fiscal year. My guest today is Mwendabai Kalaluka. Mwendabai is a leading business consultant, academic, and managing consultant of the practice IABC here in Johannesburg. Hi Mwendabai, it's good to have you.
Hi Makhosazane, nice to be with you today.
Thank you for coming and for unpacking this budget with us. I'm really looking forward to this mini-series.
Thank you.
I want to touch briefly on personal income tax, and I know that the brackets were adjusted to give taxpayers some relief. Maybe you can speak about this.
All right, when it comes to personal taxes, the minister announced some adjustments to the tax brackets, and obviously that comes with apparently a large savings in tax running into billions.
13.5 billion, I've heard.
But taxpayers mustn't be too excited, because at individual tax level you might not see any major impact on that. But I think what we just need to be aware in terms of personal income taxes is the increases in your rebate. So your primary rebate has increased to 16,425, and what that leads to, or what that has led to, is the increase in your tax threshold, which has increased to 91,250. So which means you'd have to earn above the 91,250 for you to actually pay personal income tax. Otherwise, if you are below the threshold, then you don't pay any tax. And then obviously the rebate for people from the age of 65 to 75 has gone up as well, and that means their threshold is 141,250, okay. Which means if you earn below that, you don't pay any tax. And for senior citizens above the age of 75, they would have to earn above 157,900. Okay, so they'll have to earn above 157,900 for them to pay tax. So that's the major changes in your personal income tax. Then the last item that I think we just also need to be aware is just a slight adjustments in your tax credits, your medical aid tax credit, but nothing major. It's just the routine changes which happen in every budget speech.
All right. So that's good to know. When we get to the individual's tax season, we can start to expect those changes. But I think even now, as businesses, our accounting softwares and our payroll softwares, etc., would start to already take these into account automatically, to the extent that they are automated systems.
No, definitely. And I'm glad you mentioned that from a compliance perspective, especially for payroll administrators, that these changes obviously are coming into effect. Payroll administrators must make sure that their systems are properly updated with all the necessary updates and the tax tables and so forth, so that when they are administrating payroll for their employees, they are obviously doing the correct calculations in terms of the taxes that they're withholding.
I don't know where I can find the information that says this was the budget last year, these were the actual results, this is why it was different, and this is who's accountable for it. And how can I hold that person accountable?